Welcome back to Prop News Time. Here are the headlines for the day. Navi Mumbai International Airport to handle 90 million passengers with INR 16,700 crore investment by 2025. The Navi Mumbai International Airport, NMIA, a INR 16,700 crore project, is set to revolutionize air travel in the Mumbai metropolitan region. Spanning 1,160 hectares in Ulve, NMI will feature two parallel runways and four terminals, handling 90 million passengers annually upon full completion. Developed by Adani Airports and Sidco, the first phase is expected to be operational by March 2025, accommodating 20 million passengers. Designed by Zaha Hadid Architects, the airport integrates seamlessly with key infrastructure projects like the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link and Express Metro, boosting regional connectivity, economic growth, and trade capabilities in Navi Mumbai and beyond. Mumbai infrastructure. BMC plans transformation of Western Express Highway to ease traffic congestion. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, BMC, has proposed an ambitious plan to revamp the 26-kilometer Western Express Highway, Kuach spanning from Bandra East to Dahisar. This initiative, revealed during a recent meeting, aims to address traffic bottlenecks, improve road quality, and standardize footpaths, signage, and medians. Civic Chief Bhushan Gagrani emphasized collaboration among agencies, including the BMC, Traffic Police, and MSRDC, to ensure effective implementation. Immediate measures, such as improved drainage systems, robust street lights, and removal of scrap vehicles, were also highlighted. If successful, this project could bring significant relief to over 2.2 million daily commuters. Bollywood real estate Akshay Kumar sells apartment in Borivali, Mumbai for INR 4.25 crore. Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar has sold his 1,073 square feet apartment in Oberoi Realty's Sky City complex in Borivali, East for INR 4.25 crore, marking a 78% appreciation from his 2017 purchase price of INR 2.38 crore. The transaction, registered in January 2025, incurred a stamp duty of INR 25.5 lakh and registration charges of INR 30,000. Sky City remains a sought-after development, recording 216 sale registrations in 2024, with an average resale price of INR 39,522 per square feet. Kumar's sale highlights Mumbai's robust luxury real estate market amid rising celebrity property transactions. Uttar Pradesh completes 95% of housing under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, urban. As of December 2024, Uttar Pradesh has successfully completed 95% of the 17,76,823 houses sanctioned under the PASIE Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, urban, with 16,71,083 houses already finished. Urban Development Minister A.K. Sharma emphasized the transparency and dedication behind the project, highlighting the positive impact on the lives of low-income families. The initiative has not only provided affordable homes, but also empowered women and promoted economic equality. Despite challenges at the beginning, significant progress has been made under the leadership of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and the government remains committed to completing the remaining 5% of the project soon. Housing for all. Former landowners, residents included in Dharavi's ambitious renewal plan. The Maharashtra government's Dharavi Redevelopment Project, DRP, a multi-billion-dollar initiative, guarantees housing benefits for all residents, including former landowners under the cancelled vacant land tenure VLT scheme. The Adani Group, through its joint venture Navbharat Mega Developers Private Ltd, NMDPL, will oversee the redevelopment process, building affordable housing and commercial spaces. Former landowners and private societies in the Dharavi Notified Area (DFAA) are encouraged to participate in this TASIS transformative urban renewal project. Sustainable infrastructure, vocational training, and eco-friendly job opportunities are key components of the project aimed at uplifting the Dharavi community. Birla Estates and Mitsubishi Estate to invest INR 560 crore in Bengaluru residential project Birla Estates. Baplik Apasiki Hitsa, a subsidiary of Aditya Birla Real Estate, has partnered with Mitsubishi Estate Co. (MIC) to invest INR 560 crore in a residential project in southeast Bengaluru. The joint venture, structured as an SPV with BAPL holding a 51% stake and MEC's affiliate MJR Investment Pattaya Kabakaye MIPL owning 49%, will develop 4 million square feet of premium housing. This marks MEC's first entry into the Indian real estate market. The collaboration reflects Bengaluru's strong housing demand, driven by its growing IT sector and infrastructure development, and signals rising foreign investor interest in India's real estate sector. Jharkhand Housing Board to launch online housing lottery for 181 properties from February 10. The Jharkhand State Housing Board, JSHB, will launch an online lottery for 181 houses and flats from February 10 to March 10, 2025, marking the first fully digital allotment process. Properties will be allotted on an as-is-where-is basis. Application fees are INR 1,000 for EWS, INR 2,000 for LIGMIC, and INR 3,000 for HIG, with an 18% GST. Eligibility includes no prior property ownership within 8 kilometers. Houses range from 421 square feet for EBUS to 1,500 plus square feet for HIG. The initiative aims to enhance affordable housing access in Jharkhand. UPRERA directs developers and agents to comply with advertisement guidelines. The Uttar Pradesh Real Estate Regulatory Authority, UPRERA, has issued strict instructions to developers and agents, mandating compliance with regulatory guidelines for advertisements. Chairman Sanjay Bhusreddy stressed that marketing materials must include RA registration numbers, website links, QR codes, and declaration accounts to avoid hefty penalties. UPRERA has already imposed penalties totaling INR 266 crore on 91 violators. Home buyers were advised to verify project details online to mitigate financial risks, while repeat offenders may face fines of up to 5% of the project's cost. The measures apply to all media platforms, including print, TV, and digital media. Bombay High Court allows Sheth developers to complete Vasant Lawns project in Thane. The Bombay High Court has granted Sheth developers permission to complete building number 8 in the Vasant Lawns project, Thane, after quashing a previous injunction by the district court. The injunction had halted construction due to disputes over revised plans and allegations of non-compliance with the Maharashtra Ownership Flats Act, MOFA. The High Court found the society's demands to revert to the 2005 plan impractical and highlighted that further delays would harm the developer and flat purchasers. The developer must finish construction within 6 months and apply for the occupancy certificate. Thereafter, Dharavi Redevelopment Project secures Mulund salt pan land amidst ongoing litigation. The Dharavi Redevelopment Project has made significant payments totaling INR 428 crore for land acquisitions in Mulund, Kurla and Deonar to build rental housing for ineligible residents, identified through an ongoing survey. The SPV, Navbharat Mega Developers Power Limited, NMDPL, with Adani Realty holding 80% equity, has faced legal challenges with some land, such as in Bhandup and Kanjurmarg, still under litigation. Despite paying for Mulund salt pan land and Kurla dairy land, physical possession remains pending. Additionally, the state government must address statutory compliance and compensation for lessees. Meanwhile, protests have erupted in Kurla and other areas, with residents opposing the project and demanding alternative uses for the land, adding further complications to the redevelopment efforts. Bhubaneswar landowners demand swift conversion of agricultural land under BDA's TP Scheme Number 8. Landowners participating in the Bhubaneswar Development Authorities BDA Town Planning TP Scheme Number 8, covering Dasapur and Andharua, are frustrated over delays in converting their agricultural land to homestead status. Despite their willingness to contribute 40% of their land for urban development, they argue that the lack of conversion hinders their ability to build homes. BDA's Deputy Commissioner acknowledged the issues and announced a help desk in Kalinga Nagar to address concerns. The TP scheme is crucial for Bhubaneswar's satellite city plans, and timely resolution is essential to ensure successful urban development and landowner participation. Mohali Municipal Corporation launches probe into illegal constructions after Sohana building collapse. Following the Sohana building collapse that claimed 2 lives, the Mohali Municipal Corporation, MC, has initiated an inquiry to identify officials responsible for regulatory lapses from 2018 to 2023. MC Commissioner T. Benaith is reviewing approvals and inspections, with potential action against negligent officials. A comprehensive survey is underway to detect illegal constructions, revealing significant violations such as unauthorized 6-story buildings. The MC aims to enforce stricter building regulations to prevent future incidents and ensure compliance with safety standards. This initiative underscores the urgency of addressing construction violations and improving oversight mechanisms in urban development. Haryana government introduces policy to streamline tree felling on non-forest land. The Haryana government has introduced a new tree felling policy for non-forest land, eliminating the need for approvals on government-acquired or allocated plots for residential and industrial projects. The policy, aimed at balancing urban development and environmental protection, allows for the removal of non-native species like eucalyptus and poplar without permission, while indigenous species remain protected. Haryana's forest cover declined by 13.9 square kilometers from 2021 to 2023, with 8.2% of its land facing desertification. Environmentalists warn of further degradation, though initiatives like Pran Vayu Devta aim to preserve heritage trees, offering financial incentives to owners of 3,876 trees. Commercial office leasing in India's top 6 cities to grow by 10 to 11%. In FY25, commercial office leasing in India's 6 major cities is anticipated to grow by 10 to 11% in FY25, reaching 59 to 60 million square feet, with a further 3 to 4% rise in FY26, according to ICRI. Driven by demand from global capability centers, GCCs, and domestic corporations, this trend is underpinned by India's skilled talent pool and competitive office rental rates. Vacancy rates are expected to drop to multi-year lows despite substantial new supply. Additionally, retail mall operators are forecasted to experience a rental income increase of 7 to 8% in FY25 and 8 to 9% in FY26, reflecting robust occupancy levels and rising trading values. Mindspace, REIT, posts marginal profit dip, achieves 10.4% revenue growth in Q3 FY25. Mindspace, Business Parks REIT. Mindspace REIT posted a 1.32% decline in net profit for Q3 FY25, reporting INR 1,449.55 million, compared to INR 1,468.89 million in the same period last year. However, total income surged by 10.42% to INR 6,744.72 million. The board declared a distribution of INR 5.32 per unit, totaling INR 3,154.86 million. Leasing activity remained robust, with 1.7 million square feet leased during the quarter. The REIT is expanding its portfolio, with a planned acquisition of a 1.8 million square feet IT park in Hyderabad, maintaining a stable loan-to-value ratio of 22.6%. DLF Limited reports 61.46% profit rise in Q3 FY25 to INR 1,058.73 crore. DLF Limited reported a 61.46% increase in net consolidated profit for Q3 FY25, reaching INR 1,058.73 crore compared to INR 655.71 crore in the same period last year. The company's consolidated income grew 5.72% to INR 1,737.47 crore. Sales bookings hit INR 12,093 crore for the quarter, with a 9-month total of INR 19,187 crore. DLF Cyber City Developers reported a 117% profit growth to INR 941 crore. The recent NCLT-approved amalgamation aims to enhance operational efficiency. DLF is focusing on major developments in Chennai and Gurugram to fuel future growth. India Real Estate retail leasing slows in 2024. Delhi NCR, Bengaluru, Hyderabad lead activity. Retail space leasing in India's top 8 cities fell by 10% in 2024, reaching 64 lakh square feet compared to 71 lakh square feet the previous year, according to CBRE. Despite the decline, experts foresee significant growth in 2025, with 50 to 60 lakh square feet of Grade A malls set to open in Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Hyderabad. While leasing in cities like Hyderabad and Chennai increased, others, including Delhi NCR and Mumbai, saw declines. Mid-range fashion, athleisure, and jewelry segments continue to drive demand. Innovative retail strategies and evolving consumer experiences are expected to shape a strong revival in the sector. India Real Estate, Nagpur, Jaipur, Lucknow lead as India's key emerging real estate markets. The latest Collier's report identifies top emerging cities in India with significant real estate growth potential, projecting up to 5.2 times returns by 2035. Nagpur, Jaipur, and Lucknow lead the list, along with other cities like Patna, Kochi, Surat, and Agra. The report highlights key factors driving this growth, including infrastructure improvements, particularly the expansion of expressways. Areas like Samruddhi Circle in Nagpur, Shela in Ahmedabad, and Raebareli Road in Lucknow are noted as high-potential micro-markets. The growing connectivity and urban development make these cities promising investment opportunities for real estate growth in the coming decade. Telangana. ADUS to expand Hyderabad operations with INR 60,000 crore investment in data centers. Amazon Web Services, AWS, has committed to investing INR 60,000 crore in expanding its data centers in Telangana, particularly in Hyderabad. The investment, announced during the World Economic Forum, WEF 2025 in Davos, Switzerland, aims to enhance AWS cloud infrastructure and support the growth of AI services in India. The company has already invested $1 billion to develop 3 operational sites in the state and has requested additional land to continue its expansion. AWS's ongoing investment further strengthens Hyderabad's position as a central hub for data centers in India. Pune Municipal Corporation pushes for 15 government plots to boost city development. The Pune Municipal Corporation, PMC, has requested 15 government land parcels from the state to fast-track several pending development projects. These include initiatives such as 24/7 water supply, road widening in various areas, and the creation of a playground in Shivajinagar. The civic administration highlighted that many projects have been delayed due to the unavailability of land. Once allocated, the state land will help move forward essential projects like roadworks, riverbank beautification, and construction of water tanks. The PMC has secured approval for the land acquisition, which will require INR 25 crore for the 15 parcels. Uttar Pradesh approves municipal bonds worth INR 150 crore for Prayagraj, Varanasi and Agra. The Uttar Pradesh cabinet has approved the issuance of municipal bonds worth INR 150 crore for Prayagraj, Varanasi and Agra, offering an incentive of INR 13 crore per INR 100 crore raised. Each city will issue up to INR 50 crore in bonds to fund infrastructure projects, improving urban living conditions. This follows successful bond issuances in Lucknow and Ghaziabad. Additionally, a residential project, a 100-meter wide inner ring road, and a land parcel scheme in Agra received approvals, supported by an ex gratia allocation of INR 204.34 crore to bridge land price gaps for development. Hyderabad infrastructure. Trellis to develop 40-acre data center park with 600 megawatt capacity Controless data centers, Asia's largest rated 4 data center company, has announced plans to develop a 40-acre data center park at the upcoming Chandanvellivalli Industrial Park near Hyderabad. The new facility is set to boost the company's capacity and position Hyderabad as a major hub in India's rapidly growing data center industry. The planned facility will have an IT load capacity of over 600 megawatts, significantly enhancing Hyderabad's current data center capacity, which is estimated at 52 megawatts. China. Country Garden seeks creditor deal to restructure USD 16.4 billion debt by February. China's Country Garden aims to finalize a USD 16.4 billion offshore debt restructuring agreement with creditors next month, seeking court approval by April. The Hong Kong court granted an extension until May 26 to monitor progress before ruling on a liquidation request filed by Evercredit over a USD 205 million loan default. Country Garden, which defaulted on USD 11 billion in offshore bonds in late 2023, has proposed a 70% debt reduction plan and is negotiating key issues with major creditor groups. Successful restructuring could help the embattled developer avoid liquidation and stabilize China's struggling property market. Spain proposes restrictions on non-EU property purchases to address housing crisis. Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez has proposed banning non-EU citizens from purchasing homes in the country unless they or their families reside there, aiming to tackle the affordable housing crisis. This follows a recent proposal to impose a tax of up to 100% on speculative property deals. Sanchez attributed the crisis to conservative policies from the 2008 financial crisis era. His 12-point plan includes measures to increase social housing, tighten regulations, and enhance renter support. In 2023, non-EU buyers purchased around 27,000 properties in Spain, with Britons leading the transactions at 9.5%. That's a wrap for today. Tune in tomorrow for the latest headlines.